This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So in your previous answer, you mentioned the word snippets. So can you tell me some of the snippets you used in your last project?
Yes, so for the e-commerce, most of the API or the most of the features, the user story and the API, I use the HTTP code is very important one because to follow the Swagger specification, and I use the response time. I use actually the response status code name, and I use actually the header as well, and the response body and the API, the authorization key. So these are the 5 actually I used. Of course, the capture the response body information and store in the environment as a variable, and the pass this variable in other the API as needed based on the understanding of how the API flow that works. So these are the 5 and 6 I have been using for the feature and the user story in Postman.